Hi, my name's David. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Hunch. We're building a spatial canvas that lets you be really productive and creative with AI. You can use any AI model, you can chain them together into a flow to do really complex and awesome work, and then you can share that work with your team or with the community as a reusable tool. So if you're at AI UX today, you can bypass the waitlist by going straight to hunch.tools/AI UX. I have not heard the latest Latent Space podcast, but I'd like to get some of the insights. So what I'm going to do is just grab the MP3 file. I'm going to drop it onto the canvas. That is now a block on the canvas. A block in Hunch is either a piece of content like this podcast or a document or a task. So I'm going to connect that to the next block, which is a task. I can select any AI model that I want to use, or I can just write something like transcribe. And then Hunch will pick the right AI model to use, in this case, DeepGram Nova, and it will write the prompt if the model needs one. So we can go straight on to the next task as an example there. So say extract 10 insights. And we can hit go, and it'll pick the right model and write the prompt for us. So there we go. And it will execute this task straight after the AI transcription is ready, has run. So it's taking a little longer than DeepGram Nova typically takes, so they might be under load at the moment. There we go. Now GPT-4 Turbo will get to work. And just in a minute, we've created a reusable tool. So I'm going to toggled over this preview view, and this is what the tool would look like if we shared it with our team. So anyone would be able to just drop a new podcast into the input there, hit run, and then get 10 insights. Let's see how much we can do in the next minute. What I want to do is take each one of these insights from the podcast and write a blog post about it. So what we're going to do is over here and create a batch. Now, a batch in Hunch creates parallel work streams for each input. So it's split all these insights into individual work streams, and we're going to ask it to write a blog post, use quotes from the transcript, and use Markdown. Hit go. Let's connect this to the transcript as well. And now it's picked Claude 3 Opus. That's going to be pretty slow for this demo, so I'm just going to change the model to Haiku quickly. And then I'm going to expand this batch area and ask it to generate an amusing image. And what we'll do is it'll select Llama 3 hosted by Grok, which is extremely fast, to write a description that gets an image description that gets into Stable Diffusion 3. And we're going to combine the blog post and the image in a single piece of content, and then output all of those for our tool. So now we're going to have 10 blog posts, and that's just going to be added. That's just going to be what the tool is now. Okay. We can do a variety of other things. Actually, let's go through and check this out. I'm going to go into full screen reader mode so we can see all of the images that are accompanying our blog posts as well. And so just in a couple minutes, we've done a lot. And that's Hunch. It's a really fluid UX. It enables you to iterate on models and prompts and context really quickly. It's a little bit addictive to use, but it makes you more productive. You can do less, but get more done with AI.